Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to enter admin mode on your I-Gard command center. Being able to enter admin mode is important in order to perform certain functions. So to start, let's go ahead and make sure we are on the home screen. Once you are, click the arrow at the top of the page and then select admin. If you've set a password, this is where it will prompt you to enter it. You have the ability to turn on the show hint function if you've given yourself a hint. My hint is sequence because my password is a sequence of numbers. I'm going to purposely type in the wrong password to show you how to delete. So my password that I typed in is 1345, but it should be 1234. So I'm going to go ahead and use one of the two delete buttons to delete it. I'm going to type in my correct password now, and then use one of the two enter buttons to click enter. And that's all you have to do to enter admin mode. Thanks for watching this video. We hope you found it helpful. As always, feel free to give us a call and one of our technical support engineers will help you out, or visit our website where you can find a ton of great resources including videos, webinars, case studies, manuals, brochures, and much more. Again, thanks for watching. We hope this was helpful.